Hello everybody and welcome to Noel's Family Garage. Today I'm going to be changing this ignition switch in this, let's see here, this 2008 Suburban we got. Today we're changing the ignition switch in this 2008 Suburban again. The other one didn't have the, let's see here, the other one, this one, didn't have the chip in it. It's a non-chip key. So we're changing it out to this one. You can see on that side, they got a little plus sign on them right there, right here. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's there. But that is for the chip. The one that we installed, that we bought off Amazon, it has no thing on either side of it, a plus sign. So that one don't work. So please like and subscribe if you like the stuff that I've been doing, and hit that bell as well, and we'll grow this channel, and then we'll be able to do some more fun stuff. Like, I want to get into some more performance things that we could be doing. Alright, so here we are on top of the steering column. So you just want to get into this somewhere where you can grab it and get it to pop loose. Like I usually grab it over in here. So then you gotta fight this boot a little bit right here, but it's okay. You just gotta kind of push it away from it. And if you have the steering wheel, you want this tilted down as far as you can get it, because if you don't, then it's gonna suck and you're not gonna be able to get this piece out. Because that edge right there, this edge through here, that edge runs up underneath this dash bezel here. So if you have it in the down position, it kind of tends to go in there a little easier. So let me get my tools out that we're going to need. You're going to need a little teeny screwdriver, which I got these snap-on ones. But you're going to want something that's fairly small, like this. This little screwdriver right here should work. So, alright, let me see if I can get you guys in a different position where you can see better, and I'll show you guys what I got going on. Okay, so this is the top of where your tumbler goes in, ignition tumbler right here. There's this little teeny hole here, which, see, that screwdriver is too big. Let me see if I can find something a little smaller in this set here. Like maybe this one will work. Let's see. That one will work. I just use a little, it's like a little pointy one out of my pick set. So let me see here. I gotta find the freaking keys. So in order to make this work, you put it, I'm gonna have to set you guys up here. Let's see if I can do that. Okay, so now you can see, so you've got this hole here, right here. That stupid thing's annoying as heck. Okay, so you got this hole here on top of your ignition piece here. Right on the very top, there's a little round hole. So you will take your key, put it in here in the ignition, turn it all the way to start, and push that in, and then pull it back out, and it'll release this. See, now I got the old ignition switch out. This ignition switch don't have a chip in it. The only reason it was even starting is because it has this, on these keys, there's a little plus sign right here. And apparently that tells you that it's a chipped key, because that's the old key. And let me see if I can get this one out. Here's the new key. It don't show that, so this key don't have a chip in it. So let's see here. We got a brand new one though. This one comes with 3 keys. Let's see here. This is a good Dorman one, I guess. But there's like a valet key. It doesn't have a chip, but if you look at this key here, you can see it's got that plus sign on it right here. So this is a chip key. So we'll go ahead and take this, install it in the ignition. You just gotta, there's a little, I'll show you maybe over here on this side now. Let's see here. Okay, so on this, you'll see there's a little slot here. Right there's a little slot. So This right here is the same little slot. See the little piece sticking up there? So when you put that back in, you put that back in that slot there. And you just kind of, all you gotta do is take this, push it in. There, that's locked in now. And so I have no start on that. It's that weird key, but let's try one of the chip keys. Nothing. So what we're gonna have to do on this Suburban is I'll have my buddy Rob come over here shortly, and he's got a pretty decent computer, but it'll be able to make this chip and this key work with the ECM in this Suburban. So we'll just have to wait a little bit till later today when he can come over here and do that, because I can show you guys a funny little trick too real quick. Okay, so see how I've got my key in there, it ain't doing nothing? Watch this, you can take the old chip key, put it next to it. Let's see if it'll work. Yeah, it might not work this time, I don't know. It ain't gonna do it. It's reading that other chip now, so here, let's try something else. Maybe we'll take this key right here, because it don't have a chip at all. Put this chip next to it. Maybe. See, I took this chip and put it next to the key, because that's the original chip for this. And it made it start right up with just that silver key. But now I'll take these away and I'll try it again and show you guys. See that? It went into theft mode. So it's locked out now. It's kind of funny. Yeah, it doesn't want to freaking do it anymore, but it's kind of weird how that works. But yeah, so right here shortly I'll have Rob come over, my buddy Rob, that he's trying to start him a car lot, so that's what we're building these vehicles for and fixing things on them for us for his car lot stuff that he's going to be doing here in the next month or so. But he'll bring over a scanner and we'll scan this, and then I'll video that and I'll show you guys how that works as well. Well, I guess before I go, we'll get this back in here too. So the best way to get this back in is you can get it up underneath the dash, up under there where it goes, and then try to get it. It's a freaking pain in the butt with one hand, but I just got to get this boot. There's a rubber boot over here that needs to be lined back up. Let's see if we can get it back where it goes. Freaking thing. Got to get it back in the bottom first, I guess. The bottom piece of this bezel down here. Let's see here. Right here, this bottom piece, got to get it back in first and where it goes. Now we can try to get the top line back up in the rubber and get it back in. Let me see if we can. Let's set this in the steering wheel right here for a second. So there's this piece of rubber back here that I got to get back around this other piece of plastic. And that's really freaking annoying. Let's take that key out so I don't have to listen to that crap anymore. Alright, so got those rubber pieces back in together. Now I got to get these little deals lined up. There's little tabs right in here. You can see it sticking down right there. Gotta get those lined up. Then you can push it back together a little bit. Let's see here. Let me get this all there. Now you guys can see this a little better. I gotta get these to pop back together all the way across here. Alright, so this is all back together. It's got a new switch in it. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and program this key real quick. Go to special function, then you go to key programming. Then you gotta agree that you're not still in the car or whatnot. So click on that. Then we'll come down here and find this is a GM product, so click on GM. And then you'll want to look at all this list here. Immobilizer is the key. GM US, Chevrolet, USA. Then you got to come down here and find the vehicle that you're working on here. So Suburban. This one's a 2008, so we'll go 2007, 2014. And then click on Immobilizer. All keys lost. I'll probably cut this video right here because it says please wait for 12 minutes and it's timing me. You can see it timing here, it's at 28 seconds. So I'll go ahead and pause this, and once it gets through this loading process, I will get back to you guys. There we go. Insert key and switch to the switch on then off position for 5 seconds and remove the key and repeat the program other keys. Program is complete. So let's see here. Turn the key off and remove it for 5 seconds. Alright, it should be good. We've been more than 5 seconds. Let's see if she'll start. Battery's dead. Alright, we'll have to get a jumper pack and do that.